Going from 0 to 10k a month with these passive income ideas is literally possible. And all of them which I am going to share in this video, you can start from little to no money. Nowadays, when technology is bringing a lot to the world, getting your piece of cake is a lot easier than ever. But before I jump to first income stream, I would like to share my point of view regarding passive income. Any work you do, basically you trade your time in return of money. So it is generally any side hustle that does not require ongoing work or time and effort to maintain cash flow. And you are making money while sleeping, traveling, or spending time with your family. Alright, so our first side hustle is affiliate marketing. Anyone can start this from anywhere in the world. And that can be a single person business to run on autopilot. Basically, brands offer multiple perks to influencers, creators to promote products. And in return, you get a specific percentage of that sale. That can be around 10 to 70% in some cases. Amazon affiliate is one of the popular affiliate programs. It pays a little around 1 to 10% for each purchase. Instead, if you promote high ticket products, a single commission can be in 100 and even 1000 sometime. But if you are doing on a bigger scale like blogs or in the form of videos, a single video can bring a huge income while your post or video goes viral. Now I myself doing Shopify dropshipping from past couple of years. So I just signed up for a Shopify affiliate program which has bring me $150 from a single client through YouTube videos. So you as a beginner can make best use of Instagram, TikTok, Facebook and YouTube to build your audience and sell the high ticket items by reviewing them which you buy for yourself and for your business. For example, I have bought this mic for my studio. Now what I can do best is I can put a review of that mic on my YouTube channel and anyone who is looking to get audio recommendation for their studio can get straight to buy it if they like my review of that specific product. And that link can be an affiliate link, which means I will get a specific percentage if customer is going to make a purchase. So keeping in mind all of these factors, I will rate this side hustle 7 out of 10. Strategy number 2 is e-commerce, and most famous methods are Shopify, Amazon FBA and print on demand, which I myself have been doing from past 7 years, and you may have seen a lot of content in this niche on my channel as well. Now understanding the basic structure of each business in e-commerce is necessary. Dropshipping will be a nightmare for you if you keep doing it for a long period of time without fixing the shipping issues, because payment processor can suspend your accounts if your refund or chargeback rates got higher than 1%. And same Amazon FBA is best secure business model if you can invest some money into it, as Amazon will take care of everything including shipping and return issues. So it is kind of hassle free, but doing it in a wrong way can suspend your Amazon account as well. Our third e-commerce business, which is print on demand, is on trend nowadays. But make sure to stay unique than other sellers. Repeatedly selling the same thing which is trending will bring trouble for you. Bring your own design ideas and sell them to a specific audience. So I have already made few videos about print on demand business model which will explain more in detail how this business model actually works. But to generally give you an idea, you use a third party printing company which take care of everything including shipping and printing. And one of them is AutoDS, which I have been using from past couple of years, which directly integrates with your Amazon, Shopify, eBay and Etsy store and ship your order fast from US and European suppliers. They are also all-in-one dropshipping tool as well, which can be used to search trending products with suppliers on low cost, and any product you want to sell, you can easily import into your store by checking the profit margins. You can also check the product engagement score, which will tell you how much people are interested in that specific product. And you can also observe the product saturation, which gives you an idea how much sellers are already selling this product. You can also get the targeted audience stats, which can be the most fit to buy this product. And even you will be able to see different ads of products on TikTok as well. AutoDS also has a print on demand feature as well, where you will be able to see plenty of products including mugs, t-shirts, frames and posters. As a kind sponsor of this video, AutoDS has offered 30-day free trial instead of 14 to my audience. Make sure to check the link in description to avail the offer. Now coming back to the video, ads are becoming much more expensive nowadays. And back in 2018, I myself have spent thousands of dollars to reach few thousand people through Facebook ads. So better is to create organic content for your business so that your profit margins are higher. Because if you are going to run the ads, you should have the right knowledge of ROIs and CPC for your ad cost. Now Shopify dropshipping and print on demand business can give you 20 to 40% margins if done in a right way. and Amazon FBA business can give you 15% margins. So I am going to rate this side hustle 7.5 out of 10. Coming to our third passive income idea, which is selling digital products. Now I personally believe this is the best side hustle if you know which product has the demand. Most of the content creators sell the courses, which itself is a very profitable product because you only record the videos about any skill and host them on platforms like Gumroad, Teachable or Udemy. Creating this type of product can take a lot of your time and effort, but it is completely passive once done. There are many creators who have generated millions of dollar revenue through a very small audience. But digital products can also consist on ebooks and templates as well. And you can even sell mockups, which are much popular products on Etsy for print-on-demand businesses. Etsy is a well-known platform for selling digital products, and you can use the Etsy search bar to have an idea about few of them. Make sure to use the Alora, which is a free extension, and you will have an idea what is best selling on Etsy. I have already made a few videos about digital products. If you want to check them out, stick around to the end of this video and you will get the recommendations. Profit margins are very high in this business and you will make around 80 to 90% of the sale. So I will rate this side hustle 8 out of 10. Fourth passive income idea is memberships, and that is building a community of like-minded people and then solving their combined problem through courses, calls or chats. It can make you up to 10K a month. There are platforms like School, Discord and Whoop where you will get the idea of building and growing the communities. And you will be able to charge a monthly or yearly recurring revenue without having the hassle of bringing new members every time. So it can be a community related to your skills. It can be a fitness community, educational community, or a group of people where you share the health tips and have weekly calls with collaboration of few doctors. Ideally, most of them building communities are the creators who bring free traffic from social media. But you can build your own through writing online or creating a newsletter. Now I can give you an example of many writers out there which started from zero audience and bring thousands of followers within no time by writing and solving the basic issues through their content on social media. Considering the easiness and amount of money you can make through this side hustle, I will rate it 8 out of 10. Passive income number 5 is writing online. That can help you to get long-paying clients which need help in growing their personal brand on social media, for example Twitter or LinkedIn, which are the most popular platforms for writers. Although writing can help you to build all the previous side hustles which I discussed earlier, but the best one can be an email list, where you can sell affiliate products and sponsorship spaces in your newsletter. And there are platforms like Behaved and Paved which are working on just a newsletter business model which will bring advertiser and publishers on same platform. And I myself made over $1,000 through a medium sponsorship deal with a food brand. Paved has recently introduced Marketplace where you will be able to book sponsorships directly from advertisers, and this will help you to get the payment straight from the advertiser while booking sponsorship for your newsletter. Now, if you have a good open and engagement rate for your newsletter, you can get sponsorship for each newsletter you send. So I will rate this side hustle 8.5 out of 10. Newsletter can also help you to promote services to your audience as well, which is the strategy number 6. Service business model is most successful when it comes to scaling. You can outsource those client projects and can make handsome revenue by just having the meetings and addressing the client's issues. And there are copywriters who even charge $3,000 a month from single paying client. And they bring all the paying clients through writing online. So the service industry is expected to grow up to $3 trillion until 2030. And getting your piece of cake out of it can make you thousands of dollars every single month. Even aside from passive income, if you do work in the field, for example plumbing or moving, these are the highest paid jobs right now that can make thousands of dollars every single day. By the way, if you want to work with me and my team regarding your Amazon or Shopify business, you can get in touch with me through email or Instagram. Now, considering different factors and amount of money you can make through this side hustle, I will rate it 9 out of 10. Alright, so our last side hustle is content creation, which is by far is my most favorite one, because if you are the one who loves creating content, you are basically building your own personal brand. And that is the most expensive and valuable asset for you. And as a content creator, you can charge thousands to work with brands. You can sell your own products, you can build your own community, and most importantly, you can work from anywhere in the world whenever you want. You are not dependent on time and location, and that gives you a lot of freedom to spend time with your family. And all of these side hustles, which I have mentioned earlier, can be built from a single piece of content through a single social media platform. Now, this side hustle can build multiple income streams and it's completely passive, so I will rate it 10 out of 10. So as per commented in the video, these are the best videos which you can watch and that can help you to start any of those passive income ideas. Please make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. If you have any questions, you can ask them in comment section and I will be back soon.